So hello everyone. Now we are going to see the experiment which is based on functions and procedures. So the aim is to determine working on functions and procedures and functions. The function is a function definition. Functions of these subprograms return a single value mainly used to compute and return a value. And the second question is procedures is the subprogram do not return value directly mainly use it to perform an action. So we have to create these tables and add data. So after adding it, the query start. So the first query is to write PL or SQL statement to fetch salary of employee Anil and calculate the grade according to its value. If salary is less than 1000, print the grade A. If salary is less than 2000, print B. If salary is less than 3000, print C. If salary is less than 4000, print grade B. So here it is, create or replace procedure grade salary X begins. Salary employee company Anil less than 1000, then DBM has output line grade. So at this up to this point we created a procedure, declared a number, and we gave the where to look for, and now we have to start the loop. So I mean if else state, not exactly loop. We have to give if else statement. So if salary is less than 1000, it is A. If salary is less than 2000, it is B. That is in between 1000 and 2000, it is B. If it is between 2000 and 3000, we have to give C. If it is greater than that, we have to grade B. So D. And we have to end the end if end. And that procedure will be created. So if we execute it, that is give execute command, grade salary command, it will print the grade of grade. So he got B grade. So that is it. And the second question, create a procedure name to procedure to calculate course name corresponding to the course code. So here create or replace procedure get course name. See course name is CNAME workout and begins our course name outcome and so on. Here procedure will be created. If we execute procedure, if we give the subject code name, course code, it will give which course it is. And here we have to display the course name by considering the exception. If the given code is not found, then raise the exception that course name is not available. So here we have to give is CNAME. It is similar to the above program above, but here we have to do some modifications like instead of numbers, I mean we have to take number, but instead of just displaying the course name, we are we have to make sure that we have to check it, we have to check that, and if if there is a course, it has to display yes, and it has to display that course name. For example, if we give 10, it has to display that the course name is Oracle, and if we give other number, it has to display that particular course. If we give a wrong number, it has to give that is no data found. And the third, we have to write a function to calculate total amount collected. Create or replace function total amount written is 1000 total number. Return number total number 10 begin, select sum total number free pay and return it. So the function is created. If we give it total from dual, so it will give the total amount that is collected. And the next question is display number of inquiries per specified advertisement code. So create or replace function content queries a code in varchar. Return number is CNT number of 5 begin, select count into CNT from inquiry where ref code is add code. If CNT is end and function will be is created. So if we give this, it will display count inquiries and file the data function to calculate the total fee paid by particular student. So here we have to ask it to calculate the total fee paid by that particular person. So create or replace function total fee. Return number is total fee number begin, select sum from total fee from fee pay where roll number is equal to s roll number and return total fee. So if we give the name roll number of person is 1001, if we give 1001, it will give the total fee paid by him. So this is how the commands work, the program works, and thank you.